Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make Figma components. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. First here is that you can open figma.com so that you will be able to start creating your project. Here you'll be able to see different templates that you can choose, but you can just simply click on the new project here. That's the first option that you can see right beside new FigJam. So all you have to do is just click on new design here on this part, and then you'll be routed into your workspace here on Figma. This is where you will be creating the components for today's video. So what you can do is just simply type in letter T on your keyboard to start writing a text, or just click on the T icon on the upper corner of the website. This will allow you to write the text, and you can simply write any word you like. This is just for a component that you'll be creating so that you'll be able to use that in the future. So what you can do is just zoom in, and then you can resize, you can change the font, you can change the font size or the font style as well, depending on how you like it. And then from here, what you will do is you can adjust the alignment as well. And then for this case, so that it will have a border or there's a frame, or the button will be in another frame, what you can do is click on A, Shift plus A on your keyboard, and then it will automatically align. And as you can see, it has even alignment on each side of the rectangle or the frame that we have. So what you can do here is you can adjust the padding for surrounding the word or the text. So either the horizontal or the vertical padding, you can change it depending on how thick you like it. And then from here, what you can do is that you can also fill it out with a color by clicking the plus icon on the fill option on the right side panel of the screen here, and then you just click on the color, and then you can just simply drag the dot depending on what color you'd like the button or the component to be in. You can also change the color of the text as well. There. So once done, you can go ahead and also add an icon into the component that we are creating today. So right now it's still a simple rectangle with a text on it. So for us to be able to have it as a component, what you can, let's add a the icon first. You can go to your plugins and then go to Iconify, and then you can choose whatever icon you'd like. This is just for an example, and then just click on it, and then you can choose what color you'd like the icon to be. So make sure that it would match the color of the text as well. And then from here, sometimes the icons, when you add it into your workspace, it's larger than the text that you've added. So you can just simply resize or rescale the icon. So make sure that it would match the component that we are creating. Or you can do the other way around. So you can resize the component instead rather than the icon. But you can do either way, that's still the same. So you can just zoom in so that you'll be able to view it clearly. And as you can see, when I'll just have it on the correct size to match this. And when I add it into the frame that we have, it automatically adjusts into to have an even space alongside with the text that we had it. So here is what you can do is highlight all of the components that we have, and then just click on the icon here on the uppermost corner of the screen. That's the first option. There's in the middle part, you'll be able to see that's a component, or you'll be able to create that specific shape or frame to be a component. So here what I'm doing is that it's actually to show you, or to show comparison on what you can do if ever you will change the color of the master component or the original one, or changing the color of an instance or the copy of a component. So here we're modifying or creating variants of the component. So you can actually go to properties and click on the plus icon, and then you can choose boolean, and then you can just type in or rename that boolean that you want it to be, so that you will be able to modify that later on. So what you can do here is that click on the icon that you want to link the boolean that we created earlier, and under this part here, under layer, you click on the icon, and then you will be able to see that under properties that it's now been linked to the word button. So what will happen here is that when you add another component into your workspace, there is an option here, boolean, and then you can just switch it on and off. So when you switch it off, the word button will be removed, leaving the icon only. So you can do it as well the other way around. So you can remove the button, but you need the icon to be the one linked into the boolean that we created. So you can actually add multiple properties in this. And then another thing that you can do here is that you can actually modify the text easily by clicking under properties and then plus icon, and then just click on the text option. And here we are able to rename it, and then we will be able to add value. The value is referring to the text that is indicated there on the component that we have. So when you click on the text on the master component, you'll be able to see under context or content, you can click on the icon on the upper right corner or the right side of that specific option, and then you can link the word button, and then when you click or add another component, there's below the boolean option under text, there is the word where you can modify the word or the button, and you can change it easily. And that's basically it. That's how you will be making use of Figma components. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.